welcome back to my channel, or you're welcome to my channel if this happens to be your first time. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys different ways that you could rock a pencil skirt. Yes, a pencil skirt. So a pencil skirt is a very beautiful outfit that can be worn with all types of body shape depending on how you rock it. But today I'm going to be showing you 6 different tops that you could style or rock with your pencil skirt. So if you want to see that, make sure you stay tuned to the very end. Okay, but before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that by clicking on that red icon down below saying subscribe, after which you just click on that bell to get notified when I post a video. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. My first top is a Peplum top, and as you can see, it looks really nice on a pencil skirt. Also, styling it with a waist belt helps to create a slimmer midsection and makes it even look more stylish. The second top is a long sleeve collar shirt, and this will give you a professional look when you like to style your pencil skirt to work. So to create this look, be sure to tuck in your shirt to make it look really smart. The third way that you could style your pencil skirt is with a blazer, and this is also another outfit for your office. Okay, so I'm currently wearing mine with a white camisole, and it is tucked into my pencil skirt. The fourth top I have on with my pencil skirt is a crop top. When you would like to create something very fun and not so serious, a crop top is just right for that. I absolutely love this crop top on my pencil skirt. It's just so fun and free. The fifth top on our list is a turtleneck top. I'd like to categorize this as a business casual look. I really like the way the turtleneck top hugs my body so well with my pencil skirt, giving me a really nice body shape. The sixth top that you could style with your pencil skirt is an armless top. Would rock this look for an evening outing or a dinner. Looks really beautiful and really sexy. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up and let me know how you style your pencil skirt in the comment section. Until next time guys, bye.